Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to download HappyMod on iOS. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all you just have to open up your internet browser, and make sure it's Safari browser. Avoid using other browsers for this process to ensure compatibility. And then you have to visit the official HappyMod website. So just look for the latest version that is compatible with your current iOS version, and then just download the application. Just follow the instructions on the website to initiate a download. You may need to tap a download or install button, which will prompt the download of the configuration profile. Then you have to install the configuration profile. Go to settings, general, VPN and device management. So just go to settings, general, VPN and device management, and here you have to find a profile for HappyMod and tap on it to install, and this will show up once you download a configuration profile. Then you have to just test the app. Just go to settings once again, then general, VPN and device management. Again, locate the HappyMod profile and tap test, and this step is crucial for allowing the app to run on your device. And that's about it. Now you can open HappyMod and start using its features on your iOS device. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.